And now, back to Living the American Dream on AM 560 WIND.
Welcome back to Living the American Dream. I am Mike Frazzini.
Attorney David Mearswell.
And financial strategist Matthew Sapala.
And now we go to Money in Motion with Matthew Sapala.
All right, here we go.
Oh, music's a little slow.
Man, shakalaka, here we go. Yeah, feeling good Sunday morning. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, you got it. The Money in Motion moment with Matt Sapala. We're here. The only thing constant is change. Excited to be with you all. I've got an exciting topic to share with you. Money. Risk money versus safe money.
Safe money.
The question is, where are you putting yours? I just want to share with you that basically, we've got a lot of emails and questions, even people coming to our events. Where do we put my safe money? And we share with people, listen, there are basically 4 industries in which people save and harvest their money. Well, the first industry is the banking industry. Banking, we have a quote, banking is required, but banks are not. Have you ever heard anyone tell you how much money they've made with the bank?
Oh, yeah.
In fact, it's the other way around, especially with 5-year CD rates going around, paying such a quote-unquote handsome amount. Lastly, have you seen of all the banks right now going out of business? I think there was Indy Mac just said that of all the money they got going on, are the people who deposit money in our accounts, of the $1 million we got in there, our customers are going to get about of the $1 billion that are there, our customers are only going to get $600 million back.
Are you serious?
So there's $400 million that banking customers, if they had over $100,000 deposit into their account, kiss it goodbye.
Wow.
In
Bye-bye.
our local market, remember
Bye-bye.
Superior Bank that went out of business?
Yeah.
People were coming to our office screaming, what do I do about my $200,000 account? Well, you can kiss $100,000 of that goodbye.
Should have talked to Matt before.
Exactly. You just have to get your information. Second industry of which you can save your money is the stock market industry. We all know the stock market, right?
What's safe about that?
That's real safe.
Is that risk money or safe money?
Here, let me walk out in New York traffic.
I think you should jump out the window and see if you bounce so you have a better chance.
Now, granted, the stock market industry, in our opinion, is a long-term strategy. So if you're looking 15, 20 years, great. If you're looking 5 years, 2 years, unless you're a trader and you're making a living on it, if you're saving for retirement, it might be a little bit of a bad choice, because how many people do you know have a 401k that turned into a 201k?
Almost everyone, man.
Yeah.
Exactly. So unless you are Kramer, you know how to pick stocks. Unless you're like Warren Buffett, the Oracle of was it the Oracle of Omaha? Something like Nebraska or something like that.
Omaha Insurance.
Exactly. And on top of that, if you're out there stock picking on E-Trade, you're buying stocks at the retail price. You're not leveraging the buying power of being together with an investor group or a money manager or a mutual fund. Now, the third industry of which you can save money is the real estate industry.
Real estate? Do we know anything about real estate?
Yeah.
The problem is that everybody was banking on their home equity to be their saving grace, their golden nest egg, so to speak, but they ended up house rich and cash poor. In today's market, don't we see home equity slipping as the housing market has not even hit bottom yet?
The rates right now in Chicago, the home prices are down at least 12 to 15% in most areas.
And what about you can't even take the money out?
Bingo. Right, because these banks have locked their home equity lines of credit. If you go on CNN Money right now, you'll see that home sales, of all the home sales that occur, 1 out of 4 result in a 25% loss. So if you go down the block, you see all these homes, you know that 1 out of 4 of those are selling at a 25% loss. People are losing. Have you heard of short sales, anybody?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Exactly. That's a big time reason for reduction in fair market value being sold at. Now, last but not least, the fourth industry of which you can save money, which is maybe less known, but the financial backbone, believe it or not, of this country, is the insurance industry. More specifically, the life insurance industry. Fitch Rating Service, along with Moody's, S&P, Standard & Poor's, there's another rating agency called Weiss. Fitch is one of those rating agencies that looked at the life insurance industry and said, you know what? Those guys are strong. One of the companies took an $8 to $9 billion loss, even with all the mortgage meltdowns that's going on right now. They found that the life insurance industry is so well capitalized that the losses, quote unquote, are negligible to the life insurance industry. Now, what does the life insurance industry offer? Well, Have you heard of annuities? Have you heard of fixed index annuities? Have you heard of equity index universal life? Universal life? Those are less well known to the common person of ways to save money where you have the benefits of safety, of guarantees, and a lot of people didn't realize how strong the life insurance industry really was. Take a look around. Look at all the major cities in America. Right here in Chicago, we've got the Transamerica, we got the John Hancock Building, we got Equitable, we've got the Prudential Building, we got many strong life insurance companies here right in our city of Chicago that really have shown to be the backbone of our industry. So if you're looking for an alternative of which you save your money, you might want to take a look at what the life insurance industry has to offer you. Check with your financial advisor, check with your financial professional, even at the banks, check out what type of annuities, fixed or equity index annuities can offer you to maintain safety, liquidity, get you out of the pains and the worries of staying up at 2 o'clock in the morning worrying about where your retirement assets are. So this is your Money in Motion moment with Matt. For more information, go to our website, livingtheamericandreamonline.com, and click in for our free reports.
Awesome, man. And that's the thing is there's some safe harbors out there, and I think they ought to contact you to really learn in detail what they can do.
You got it, bud.
After break, we're going to be going over business networking events. You're listening to Living the American Dream on every Sunday, 10 a.m. For free financial tips, legal advice, and business building events. Go to livingtheamericandreamonline.com. That's livingtheamericandreamonline.com, or call 630-299-4459.
We're back.